Our new walking route in Knoxville. Cute little neighborhood. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm on my third location in this remote year and I'm staying in Tennessee. I'm renting a room from some family that I have here in Tennessee, and let me give you a tour of the apartment that I'll be living in for the next 3 months. So you walk in and you have the living room here on the right, and this beautiful brick accent wall that goes through the whole side, and this little dining room area here. Super cute. Little kitchenette. Just big enough to get everything accomplished. Then you have the bathroom. And my bedroom. Walk-in closets here on the sides. I'll be doing a lot of traveling and in the next 3 months while I'm here in Tennessee, so stay tuned for the upcoming videos and please like and subscribe.